I love living in Madrid. I love living in the capital of Spain. However, in summer, it gets very hot. And as an American, there's one thing I miss about the United States. Madrid is a beautiful city. It's very big. However, the weather in summer gets very hot. It can get up to 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. In the United States, we use Fahrenheit instead of Celsius. The average temperature all throughout summer is about 32 to 35 degrees. Today, it's already going to be 34 degrees and it's not summer yet. It's very hot. Now, in the United States, I lived in Las Vegas, a desert where it also gets very hot, up to 47, 48 degrees Celsius. It gets very hot in Las Vegas. But there's one thing that you have when you live in Las Vegas, which is air conditioning. Ah, air conditioning. I miss you. Where I live, in my apartment, I don't have air conditioning. No, it's very sad. I want air conditioning. But where I live, I don't own the apartment. No, no, no. It isn't my apartment. Someone else owns it. And I know one day in the future I will have to move to a new apartment. So I don't want to pay for air conditioning for someone to install, to put in air conditioning because one day I won't need it because I'll need to move. Ay, so how do I survive? Well, my number one best friend, oh, I love my best friend, is a giant fan, a big fan in my room. Let me get him. He wants to be in the video. This is my best friend in summer, my fan. Oh, I love you. Thank you for all that you do. My fan helps me survive in summer. My fan, I could not live without him. I thank you. I also I also drink a lot of water with ice in the summer. Mhm. It's important to drink a lot of water. You need to drink a lot to not be dehydrated. Being dehydrated is very dangerous and it's very bad for your body. It's very bad. Also, I take 2 showers a day. Not one, two. In the morning, when I wake up, I take a shower. I take a shower, get clean, because I sweat. Oof, I sweat at night. It's very hot. Even with my fan, it's very hot. And I take another shower at night, a cold shower. Ooh, but it feels good. After all day being hot, a cold shower is perfect. And it helps me cool off before going to bed. In summer, I normally don't sleep 8 hours a night because it's so hot. And I go to bed later once the temperature cools off. No AC means I have to be smart. So I also use a cold water bottle and I cuddle it in bed. and it feels very good. I eat a lot of ice cream. And I don't cook during the day. Uh-uh. For dinner, I have salad. I have salad. I have different types of fruit. I have gazpacho, which is a Spanish soup made from tomatoes. Delicious. And I make poke bowls, which come from Hawaii, which have rice and raw fish not cooked, seaweed, vegetables, soy sauce, and things like that. And it's served cold and also delicious. Summer in Madrid is very hot, but it's also very fun. So, for me, it's okay. I survive. But one day in the future, I will have air conditioning. One day. Alright, everyone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching videos, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye.